Your eye color is an ancient survival tool. Your eye color is more than just a look, it's an ancient survival tool. Most people have brown eyes. But the other 30% have genetic twists. They tell a story of migration, adaptation, and evolution. Let's decode your eye color. Brown eyes. Your ultimate biological shield. Melanin gives them their color and blocks tons of light. It's not just pigment. It's a natural built-in sunscreen. Think ancient humans, harsh sun. Survival. Melanin stops UV rays from damaging your eye cells. Brown eyes are also better in bright light. They absorb light, not scatter it. Less glare, clearer vision when it's sunny. That's why they're common near the equator. They look deep and uniform. But see them in low light? You might spot gold flashes. It's just physics showing off your eye's layers. Blue eyes. All blue-eyed people share one ancestor. A single gene mutation did this. It basically turned off brown pigment production. Before that, everyone had brown eyes. Blue eyes aren't really blue. No blue pigment here. They have very little melanin. Light scatters blue wavelengths, letting others pass. It's why the sky looks blue too. Your eye color can shift from bright blue to gray. This mutation happened as humans spread out. From the Black Sea to northern Europe. But here's the puzzle. Why did blue eyes spread so fast? From zero to almost everyone in Europe. Maybe better low light vision? More light for the retina in dark winters. Or maybe they were just super attractive. Rare and striking, people chose partners with blue eyes. Ancient DNA shows blue eyes came before lighter skin. Old theories are busted. Blue eyes weren't just a skin lightening side effect. Gray eyes. Super rare, less than 3%. Even less melanin than blue. Light scatters everywhere. They look steel-like, shifting from silver to dark gray. Probably for extreme low-light survival in places like northern Europe. Overcast skies were the norm. Their color is neutral and steady. But they're hard to read. Less color variation to track. Maybe that's why they're linked to wisdom, control, or detachment. Unlike blue eyes, they're always cool, enigmatic. But that lack of melanin has downsides. Just like blue eyes, they're more vulnerable to UV. Sun protection is key. Green eyes. Only 2% worldwide. The rarest common color. Why so uncommon? They need a special gene mix. Too much melanin? Brown eyes. Too little? Blue. Green eyes are right in the middle. Moderate melanin plus a yellow pigment. Light hits this combo and makes green. But green eyes are truly unique. They're unstable. They change with light and surroundings. Mossy in shade, golden in sun. They can even look hazel or blue-gray. This dynamic look inspired folklore. Witches and magic in medieval times. Special powers in Greek myths. Today, mystery and intuition. Evolutionarily, they're flexible for varied climates. Good UV protection with enough light sensitivity. A balance. Most common in Celtic and Germanic people. Especially Ireland and Scotland. But can appear anywhere with the right genes. Hazel eyes. The ultimate chameleons. They genuinely change color. It's real physics, not an illusion. Intermediate melanin and lipochrome react to light. Green, then gold, then brown. Versatile. Perfect for mixed environments. Sun, shade, changing seasons. Moderate protection, good light sensitivity. Adaptable to any lighting. About 5% have them, mostly European, Middle Eastern. They're a blend, not one trait. What's cool is the unpredictability. No two hazel eyes are the same. Spots of brown, rings of green. Mysterious and expressive. They bridge the gap between dark and light eyes. Amber eyes. So rare, often mistaken. But they're totally different. Less than 5% have them. Solid gold, copper, or honey. They don't change with light. Unlike hazel, amber is always rich gold. This solid color is also seen in predators. Amber eyes? They can look intense, right? Some say we subconsciously link this color to being alert and confident, which could be a subtle social plus. Amber eyes might be more about showing off than seeing better. They probably evolved as a signal for finding a mate. You'll often find amber eyes in people from Southern Europe, Asia, or South America. But anyone can have them with the right gene mix. It's all about melanin and lipochrome. Black eyes. Real black eyes? Nope, they're not a thing. What looks black is just super dark brown melanin. So much that the iris looks totally black. This helps absorb light best, protecting you from UV rays and glare. Crucial in sunny spots. Near the equator, where the sun's brutal, black eyes are a big win. Darker eyes really do handle bright light better. They stay steady no matter what. Instead of scattering light, black eyes soak it up. They look deep and solid. This means less eye strain. And way less risk of UV eye problems later on. Even though they're often overlooked, black eyes are common in Africa and parts of Asia. Culturally, they're seen as mysterious and strong. Powerful, maybe because they hide your emotions. It's harder to see pupil changes when you're emotional. So they seem unreadable. Next up, heterochromia. That's when you have two different colored eyes. Or parts of one iris are a different color. It's super rare, affecting less than 1% of people. Normally, melanin spreads evenly. Heterochromia happens when that symmetry breaks. Usually from tiny gene tweaks or during development. In the past, different colored eyes were seen as magical. Or a sign of special connection. Maybe because they break the symmetry we expect. Your eye color tells your ancestors' story, their journeys, how they adapted, where they lived. From dark eyes on ancient savannas to blue eyes in Ice Age Europe. Each color is a chapter in our evolution. So next time you look in the mirror, remember this. You're seeing thousands of years of survival. And the amazing genetic roll of the dice. That made you, you. The exact lottery that made you, you.